Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to enable WhatsApp notifications on Huawei Watch GT 3. So let's do it. So here is my Huawei Watch GT 3 and here is my phone, and to enable WhatsApp notifications just go to Huawei Health app. And here go to devices, press on the Huawei Watch GT 3 and here scroll down and we have here notifications, and here are my notifications. And to enable WhatsApp notification just go to WhatsApp and press here, and now it's enabled. And now let's send a message on my phone, and I want to see if I received the notification on my watch. And I will write here, how are you? And now let's press send, and let's wait. And here is the notification on my phone. And let's see on my watch, and here is the notification on my watch. And now you can answer, you can send it back an emoji, or you have here some simple answers. Okay, yes, thanks, no thanks, great, okay, thanks, see you soon, almost there, sorry, I'm busy, and no. Unfortunately, you can write whatever you want, and I will tell just okay. And now, as you can see, I received the other message. I'm also wondering if I can send a photo on my Huawei Watch GT 3. And I selected a photo, and let's send it. And I receive it on my phone, and now let's see on my watch. And we have here done photo. And if I press on this, nothing happens. So I'm sad. I will send back a sad face. And this is working. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.